Yes guys, what's going on? My name is Double A and today I'm back again with another video, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make thumbnails like the YouTuber Muaaz. And yeah, he's a pretty good content creator on YouTube, and he also streams Fortnite on Twitch, so definitely check him out. You might have already heard of him, so yeah. But anyway, today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make thumbnails like Muaaz and showing you his style. I definitely recommend this style for gamers, especially because the text definitely stands out, and yeah, it's just pretty well suited to gamers. So yeah, without further ado, if you guys do like the series of how to make thumbnails like, then drop a like. I do appreciate that. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing you want to do is go to File and New in Photoshop, and then you want to make because we're doing a thumbnail, you want to make your width 1920 and your height 1080. Put your resolution at 300, leave everything else the same, and press OK. And then you'll have your canvas. And then the first thing you want to do is just go to Google and go to abstract wallpaper in images, and then you could just look through and see which one you like. I've just chosen this one here, and then once you found the one that you want, press right click, press copy image, and go to Photoshop and press Ctrl V to paste. And this doesn't have to be an abstract image, this can be anything you want really, anything to do with the video. So for example, if it was a setup video, you could use an image of your setup in the background, just like that. So yeah, there you go. So the next thing I'm going to do is type in sunburst wallpaper, and then I've just got this one up here. Muaaz sometimes uses a sunburst wallpaper, it isn't always. I'm just going to use it because I like the look of it. So just right click, press copy image, find any sunburst you like, and then go back into Photoshop, press Ctrl V. This is a pretty easy way that he does it. And then yep, you should fill the canvas, and then go to blend mode, and then just pick a blend mode. So there's overlay, soft light, linear dodge. I think overlay or soft light look the best. I'm just gonna go with soft light. I think that looks the best. And then finally, this is the final bit. It's pretty quick to do this, and I'm just gonna do the text. So the font he uses is Oblex Pro. Click the link in the description to find it right here, and it will take you to the site. So just download the font and you'll be good to go. So now I'm going to show you the way he does his text. Alright, to do the text, you just want to press this T here, the text tool, and then just click anywhere. Make sure you're selected on the Oblex Pro font after you've downloaded it. Set the text to white, and then just type in your text. So I'm just going to type in Muaaz. Press Ctrl A and just make it a bit smaller. And you want three bars of text, so there's going to be 1, 2, and 3 bars of text. So you want to make it like a third, the size so it fills a third of the thumbnail. So that looks about right. But you can always adjust it after, and then yeah, just put it in the top. You can either center it or put it in the top left. I'm gonna put it in the top left for now. I might center it later. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is just go to the blending options, so I can show you the way he does his text. So just double click on the Muaaz text, and then just go to gradient overlay, and then put the opacity on 20%, and then go to stroke, make sure it's black, and put the size on 20, and then you're done with the text. So then you want to press OK, and that's the basic layer style. So press Ctrl J, and then to duplicate it, and then hold and drag and put this one under, and then I'm just going to change this one now to thumbnail for the second piece of text. Thumbnail, and then just align it using the select tool. Make it a bit smaller. By holding Shift and Control T, and then yeah, just align it like so, and that looks pretty good. So now I'm going to show you the bottom piece of text, which is in the gradient. So I'm just going to go back to the Muaaz text, press Ctrl J, move it under the thumbnail text, keep it in line, and then double click on it to go to the blending options, go to gradient overlay, and where it says gradient, go to click on it, and then click on this one here next to the blue and yellow one, and it's the orange and yellow one, and then where this yellow is in the middle here, move that to straight to the right. Move that straight to the right and put the opacity on 100%, and this will give you the gradient that Muaaz uses, and yeah, really make sure text stick out. And yeah, let me just change this text now to tutorial, and that looks very nice indeed. So yeah, this is just a basic way that he does it. And also I'll show you another thing here. Sometimes he does like to, let me just move the text a bit closer using the arrow keys. Sometimes he does like to put another stroke around it, so press Control on all three layers of text, so Control, Control, and Control, press Control G, double click on the group, and then go to stroke, and then make it a white stroke, and then make the size around about 5, and this just gives a really nice effect in my opinion. And sometimes he does this, sometimes he doesn't, but yeah, it looks pretty nice. So, and also you can put a drop shadow on there. I might just in this case, just because why not, you know. So yeah, just increase the spread and size. You can just copy these settings right here, and then yeah, that looks all good. So just press OK, and yeah, I'm just gonna rename this group as text, and I'm gonna now you can leave it like this right here, or you can align it in the middle. So I'm just gonna press Ctrl A, and then click the, make sure you're on the select tool, and then click the 2nd and 5th shortcut right here, and then your text is aligned. And to make it completely aligned, click on the text tool, go to your text tool, click on the text, go to this A icon here, and then just click on this here, and yeah, you can individually do it. So just go to the select tool, click on the text, go to Control A, and put it in the middle. Okay, so to completely align in the middle, you can just do it individually. So you can just click on each individual text. So just click on the top one here, press Control A, and then click on the 5th option here, and then just do this with each one, and it will be aligned in the middle. And I think it looks better in the middle because it fills up more space, I guess, and it just looks more even. So yeah guys, there you go, that's pretty much it. I will be releasing the template to this very soon. Let's try and get 10 likes and then I'll release the template. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was a pretty easy tutorial to follow, I hope. And yeah, if Muaaz sees this, drop a comment, Muaaz. I do appreciate that. So yeah, without further ado, use this if you're a gamer, guys, if you want some help with your thumbnails. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. And finally, Double A is out.